Section 4. Spacecraft, not just drifting along. Modern spacecraft are not simply passive vessels drifting through space. They are equipped with advanced navigation systems and even onboard collision avoidance capabilities. Using a combination of star trackers, inertial measurement units, and sophisticated software, spacecraft can precisely determine their position and orientation in space. Furthermore, some spacecraft are equipped with autonomous navigation systems that allow them to make minor course adjustments to avoid collisions. These systems act like a spacecraft's own personal autopilot, constantly monitoring its surroundings and making subtle adjustments to keep it on a safe trajectory.
Section 5. Planning for the unforeseen. Before launching a spacecraft, engineers and scientists undertake meticulous mission planning to ensure its safety. They use complex simulations to map out the spacecraft's trajectory, taking into account the gravitational pull of planets and other celestial bodies, as well as the potential for encountering asteroids. These simulations allow engineers to identify any potential hazards along the spacecraft's planned route. If a high-risk area is detected, the mission plan can be adjusted to avoid the danger zone. This might involve altering the launch date, modifying the trajectory, or even incorporating additional maneuvers during the mission to ensure a safe passage.
Section 6. Navigating the Cosmic Sea Success Stories. The success of missions like Voyager, New Horizons, and the Mars rovers stands as a testament to our ability to safely navigate the cosmos. These spacecraft have journeyed billions of kilometers, sending back invaluable data and capturing breathtaking images without succumbing to the perils of the asteroid belt. These missions highlight the effectiveness of our current strategies for avoiding asteroid collisions. They demonstrate the incredible precision of our tracking systems, the sophistication of our spacecraft navigation, and the meticulous planning that goes into every mission.
Section 7. Safe passage through the cosmos. While the vastness of space plays a significant role in minimizing the risk of collisions, it's our technological prowess that truly allows us to navigate the cosmos safely. Through a combination of advanced tracking systems, sophisticated spacecraft navigation, and meticulous mission planning, we've been able to send robotic emissaries to explore the solar system and beyond, unraveling its mysteries and expanding our understanding of the universe. The next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that while asteroids do pose a potential threat, we are not defenseless. Our ingenuity and technological advancements have allowed us to overcome this challenge, opening up a universe of possibilities for exploration and discovery.